Okay, number 11. So this is exactly like 9 and 10 in that they're both in standard form. So I could solve for y, and if you if you like solving for y, look at number 8, do it the same way. But personally, I like elimination. So I don't, my x's don't cross out, my y's don't cross off. So this one's a little bit harder to figure out which one to do. So I'm just going to try my x's. So I always want to look at the number that's farther from 0. So -5 is farther from 0 than -1. So -5 is the number we're trying to get cross off. Okay? So -5, how do I get -5 to cross off? Well, I'm going to use a +5 to make -5 cross off. And so that's what I want. I want a +5. What do I have that I don't want? Well, I don't want that -1. So I want +5. I don't want -1. So 5 divided by -1 is -5. You always want to multiply the equation that has what you don't want. We don't want the -1. This is the equation that has the -1. So that's what we're multiplying by -5. Okay? So when we rewrite it, this first one has to be multiplied first. So -5 times -1 is 5x's. -5 times -2y is a positive 10y. That's a y, sorry, about my bad handwriting. -5 times 1 is -5. The bottom equation we didn't do anything to, so we're going to write it exactly like it is. -5x plus 4y equals 5. So now something should cross off. If something doesn't cross off, we did something wrong. But look right here, this does cross off, so we know we multiplied by the right thing. If it doesn't work right for you, just go and try to figure out something else to multiply by. You just multiply by the wrong thing. So 10y plus 4y is 14y, and -5 plus 5 is 0. Divide both sides by 14, and you get y equals 0. So then I just need to take that 0 back into one of these equations. It doesn't matter which. I'm going to use the bottom one. So -5, still x, because I'm not replacing the x. I'm replacing the y. So plus 4, there's where I'm replacing. I'm going to put 0 in parentheses instead of y equals 5. So -5x, 4 times 0 is 0, equals 5. And I should know that adding 0 is nothing. There's nothing there. So I just need to get rid of it. You can cross out zeros. So -5x equals 5. Divide by -5 on both sides. X equals -1. I'm going to write it as a coordinate point. I have -1, comma, 0.